Before there was time, before there was anything, there was nothing. And before there was nothing, there was BDSP. I'm going to show you something beautiful. A story of two players whose destinies have crossed to finally collapse in the end of time. You saw it with your own eyes, didn't you? How it took you away from victory in your own tear. And you stand there and did nothing about it. And now he's coming again. And it's tear. Are you gonna let him do it again? I give up. This story won't end here. Oh, it won't. There's this place beyond the unknown where Morbers will settle this once and for all. I sense a storm coming.